Welcome to Study Loop.
The question that is given over here, it says that a traffic light has been installed at a junction of the railroad and the road. Then the light is controlled by two switches in the rails, which are placed at 1 mile apart. On the either side of the junction, a switch is turned on when the train is over it and it will turn off otherwise. The traffic light changes from green to red while the beginning of the train is 1 mile from the junction. So the light changes back to green when the end of the train is 1 mile away from the junction. So what we have to find out is we have to obtain a primitive flow table for the circuit. From the given problem, let us have x be the input, which is given on the status of the train. That is, once the train it goes this way, then the road will be this one, and then the signal will be here and here. If the train is in the region A, if it is present in the region A, then we have to take this as the value of x to be 1. If it is present in the region, if it is not present here, if it is not near, then we have to take this one as x is equal to 0. Now we have to take the output is it. This is the output. If the light is green, then the value of z will be 0. If it is a red light, then the value of z will be 1. Now let us draw the primitive table. On drawing the primitive table for x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, here A and B. So we get A, B, A, B. So there A is the green light on. If the green light is on, and B is when the red light is on. So we have answered the first part of the question, and this can also be written as this one. X is equal to 0, and here x is equal to 0, and here x is equal to 1. And again, this is x is equal to 0, and this is x is equal to 1. And then let us move on to the next question, which states that we have to state that the flow table can be reduced into 4 rows. Here it is the state, and this one is the input ns and the output z. If you transform this into table, we get 0. The values will be 0, 0, 1, 1 for A, B, and B. And the input data given will be 0, 1, 0, 1. So the ns value will be 0 for A, 1 for B, 0 for A, and 1 for B. And the output will be 0, 1, 0, 1. Now we have transformed the flowchart into a table containing 4 rows. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you find the solution useful. All the best. Thank you for watching.